Hello everyone. I'm just gonna share. Today was not an easy day to trade. I trade almost every low float that I saw in the scanner. ATPC, that was my favorite one. So let me show you exactly what I do is ATPC. I think that was early in the morning. Usually the best trade ever once they released the news or 8 hours ago. And this is like I will show you how I used my indicator to get in and get out and how I actually took the trades. I believe it hit the news, it hit the wire. I did not actually trade here. I usually waited and then I got this red candle. And what I want you to look at is this momentum indicator. I get this red with this yellow arrow means seller push this down. I did not jump in until I get this step in signal. So I took a trade right here around 291 or something, or what, 309 it shows here. I was a little bit late. I think I jumped in right here. And I was out where? When like I kept holding this. Let me just show you because it gets confusing. There's no repaint or anything here. So I got the signal here. I jumped in right here and I kept holding, but I got this W, mean there's a seller wall, like a lot of seller pushing this down. So I took some of my money. I kept holding until I get this out right here. So I was out almost at around 379 or something. And like I see 374, I have my hotkeys configured to exit 25% of my position. So this is what was my favorite trade of the day. INKT, I think I was positive and then turned negative. But let me show you what basically was INKT. INKT, is it right here? I don't see it. INKT. INKT. It's right here. This momentum indicator, basically it looks at the 1 second volume. It analyzes it for me and it shows me if there is a buy pressure or sell pressure. I think I was late to this one. Like I don't think I was there around this 6 day. I think I was there around 6 day. Yeah, this is when I saw this actually. See, here's what happened. Okay, I think this stock went up really like around 5 a.m. in the morning all the way to $20, then went down and I think I saw it around 619. And then I got this signal right here. It tells me this is volume pressure building. And what I like about it, it was a mix of hitting the VWAB, this dot blue line in the VWAB, and a support line. It gave a signal right here. I think I jumped in. I did not get an exit signal, but when I saw this like red kind of candle, I said I got out and I waited. I got a step in like signal right here, so I jumped in, and then I saw like a seller wall. I got out, was a loss. So I waited, jumped in right again, right one more time. And I was out with the W. When I see the W, it means like a wolf seller blocking this to go out. And I think I took that signal right here and it hit all the way from 1874 until like almost 19. And when I saw this red and a yellow bar, I got out with a little bit of a profit. So I ended up with 522. VTAK, I think this is the stock was really good to me. I'll show you. This momentum indicator, if you take the signal once the news hit the wire and you see it on the scanner and you try to be in and out, you will make like the best money ever. So let me show you exactly what happened. This market is really tricky. It's not a straightforward trade. So we got the signal right here. And I think once I saw this, because I was a little early, I jumped in, and once I started hitting this resistance line, I actually scaled out, got out, and it was a good call. And then it got a sell signal. I didn't get in, I didn't get in. All right, I got a signal right here, got out. It did not follow through. That got me out with this red bar right here. waited one more time, and I think I got in right here. And I give like because I was almost up $3,000. I gave up like most of what I made, and I ended up was 522, and I didn't touch it again. What else? PLYX. I think started moving during the day. I think I overtraded today. But let me show you where I took the trades and how I use my momentum indicator once I see the stocks moving like this. Here's the ultimate position when you try to get in and out. VWAP 9 EMA Cloud. This is basically a 9 EMA Cloud. And I would say green, it's like a good setup to take any momentum in and out based on the volume. This is measure the volume. So I get in right here with that signal at like 557. I got out at 591. Then I got a signal again at 6:30. I got a signal. It kept like going. This it tells me the wall of seller come in, so get out. So it's 669, 30 cents there. Then I got another signal right here, this green arrow, buying pressure. So you get in right here at 670 and you get out whenever you get this arrow down, mean volume pressure is too much to hold the momentum. So basically from 671 all the way to 702. This is why I have some like little green right here because I wasn't in and out. ACXB is the only one red. I think it was not easy to trade even with my momentum indicator, but I did not end up red, which is a good thing. So let me show you where ACX is very choppy. Look at this. This is a very bad stock to trade. I think I got in like around this area. I missed a good signal. I think I missed that signal right here to step in. It asked me to step in. Let me show you, like I need to expand this so you can see the exact signal. So I got this signal right here. I missed that move completely. I think I tried to get in with this signal right here. So if you got in right here, which I did not take because I was watching something else, from 279 all the way to a resistance line through 309, but you get the real signal with this red candle. You see like a wall of seller come. So you would exit around 294 from 279, 20 cents, not bad. But anyway, I didn't do well. I just want to show you how I use this momentum indicator. It helps me with the 9 EMA band to be in and out with any momentum stock. I avoid anything when I see the band is red like this. So even if I got this like a buy come in, but look at this momentum, the 9 EMA cloud is red, so I don't get in. I wait. Even if I take this signal right here, and I think that's the one I ended up with that red because I think I jumped in right here. I kept holding. I was excited that another green, but look at this. It gave me the exit right here. So I think I was holding from 286 and I got out with this yellow arrow at like 282 or I was like 283 was 4,000 shares. So I ended up with this loss. But anyway, I didn't touch it after that. I think I'm good with the progress I did today. And again, I use nothing but this. This is if you, I couldn't read level 2 really well, and I built this to help me to be an out based purely in the volume. The setting of this decoding is a nightmare, almost 2,000 lines of codes just to build something like this. But to be honest, it was a game changer for me. I will share the details about this indicator later. I think with if the market is better and we have real momentum, I can make way better money. But not complaining. Everything is good. Thanks for watching, guys.